Glamingos, who's ready to get flocked up with these brand new shadows from our new Shadow Me palette? In our Flocking Fabulous palette, you're getting 10 stunning shades that'll have you feeling like a flock star all summer. If you want to see how I created this look using all these shades from this palette, keep watching. I'm starting off this look by applying the shade Beach Bum all over my crease and lids. After cutting my crease, I'm applying the shade Coconut to my outer corners to add more definition. Then I'm taking the shade Banana Leaf and packing that on the inner half of my lid. Next, I'm applying some lashes and mascara. Moving on to the face, I'm cleaning up my under eye area with some concealer, then applying bronzer and powder. Going back to the eyes, I'm taking the shade Sunset and sweeping that on my lower lash line for a pop of orange. Next, I'm highlighting my cheekbones and nose to get that summer glow. Then I'm taking the shade Tangerine and applying that on my inner corners for a gorgeous touch. Lastly, I'm taking some concealer and applying it to my waterline to make my eyes look bigger and pop even more. To finish up this summer look, I'm applying my Kiss Me Lippy in No Flocks Given. Now it's your turn. We want to see your flamazing looks using our palette. Just give us a tag on Instagram at liveglam.co and use hashtag LiveGlamFam to bring all the flocks to the yard. Stay glam!